Folks, we got a really nice property in one of the most sought after areas of Texarkana, Arkansas. It's right off of Line Ferry Road. 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a swimming pool. Let's go look at this home. When you open the front door, you're greeted by a stairway going upstairs. But first, let's look at the great room downstairs there. It's a large, wide open great room. You got a vented fireplace with a large screen TV above it, and then you got the views of outside yard. It is a huge yard. Now go past the stairway and you're into your first of 2 bedrooms that's downstairs, and this happens to be a suite. You know, there's so many newer updates done to the property in the last couple of years, like the roof was replaced, new HVAC systems upstairs and downstairs, electrical panels. And this bathroom has a combination tub shower, and it has a door leading out to the back swimming pool. It also has downstairs bath renovation, upstairs plumbing replaced, downstairs guest bathroom, new plumbing, new dishwasher, tankless hot water heater installed. Now back through the great room into the kitchen with a small formal and a breakfast bar. You know, this is one of the kitchens that has a lot of cabinet space. It has a gas cooktop with a double ovens. On the right over here, it's got a pantry. Then you lead into the other bedroom with the guest bathroom. Then back through the kitchen into the laundry room, and the washer and dryer conveys with the sale of the property. Another nice feature is this sunroom leading off the kitchen, which the present owners are using as an office. Then it leads out into the backyard swimming pool. Now let's go upstairs and look at the other master suite. One thing I like about the pool out here, of course, it's got a newer liner in the pool, just put in recently. but the deep end starts just right off of the steps right here, about 10 feet, and goes down. And it's, folks, it is really deep down here. Perfect for the folks that like to dive. You have the margarita bar right here at the pool. And with all the landscaping with the board fence, you'll think you're at some type of resort. And of course, for all you guys that like to garden, you got the perfect greenhouse. I'm going to say that thing's about 30 foot long, and it's ready to start planting in right now. You know, a really nice added feature to this property, which sits on 1.9 acres, give or take a little bit, is that it's got a 40 by 40 insulated garage. And I'm gonna say that ceiling there, probably, I mean, that garage door is probably at least 12 feet tall. Let's turn on the lights, see if we can see something in here. But folks, it's wired for 220. All the electrical, everything done professionally. About 8-inch I-beams. That's about a foot I-beam up the top up there that you could probably put some kind of winch if you did mechanic work, because that's a really heavy duty beam up there. Really nice concrete floor, wide open shop, folks. You know, starting out in the front yard, you got Line Ferry Road right here. Texarkana's right to the north up there. We are in the city limits, folks. But here, I wanted to look at this. We got a pecan tree here. We got fruit trees in the front yard over here, fig trees, and a greenhouse in the back there. You know, for all you folks that don't understand the rules here in Texarkana, Arkansas, is that if you live inside the city limits, which this home is in the city limits, you don't pay any state income tax. You've got gas out here, you've got city water, of course you got a septic, and you've got a well that they use to fill up the pool and water this magnificent lawn out here. That's the reason everything looks so green. It cost them zero to water all this property. Folks, if you're looking for a really nice property in Texarkana, Arkansas, give me a call.